Hey guys, we received this housewarming gift kit for test and try. So I will show that if somebody or have a new home, you are going to the housewarming party, you can take this to give it to them. It's a nice gift pack, as you can see. This have like the different things inside and a complete kit to show. So it's elegant. There's a nice box. There are ceramic absorbent coasters. There are wax or the candles and like a lot of things that you can see it here. So the soft hand towels and the clothes, a wine gift bag as well, the spoons for honey and other things. So little tag for the gate for the sweet home, and then the coaster with the ceramic coasters. So it's a very nice, and you can see the design, the quality. It looks really nice. And then they have this. Little coasters that use and super absorbent and also like nice ceramic coasters with a nice messages of the sweet home on it. It can easily just carry on the stuff. Wine bottle bag. So a lot of things that you can do with this and a lot of things that is good for a new home. So it's a great gift. This chopping board as well. So the cutting board with all the messages, nice, the heavy wooden cutting board. So good size. So basically a very nice kit with this, the coasters and the spoon and the wine bag, the ornament for the new home, the wax candle, the small hand towels. So very nice kit.